Picture this. It's 1990 and a new nation emerges on the global map, Croatia. Their passion? Football. The birth of Croatian football ignited a fervor in the early 90s, uniting a nation around a shared love. In less than a decade, this fledgling team would etch their name into the annals of football history. Fast forward to the 1998 World Cup, a tournament that would forever define Croatian football. In their maiden voyage on the global stage, this young team clinched an astonishing third place. This achievement set the bar high for what was to come in Croatian football. As with any team, Croatia had its ups and downs in the years following their World Cup success. The 2000s saw fluctuating fortunes, including a heartbreaking failure to qualify for the 2010 World Cup. But even in these challenging times, Croatian football never lost its spirit. Enter 2018, a year that saw the return of Croatian football to the global stage. This small nation demonstrated an unmatched grit and determination, fighting their way to the World Cup final. Although they didn't take home the trophy, this underdog team won the hearts of football fans worldwide. From its inception to its rise, fall, and resurgence, Croatian football has proven to be a force to reckon with. A journey of sheer tenacity, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the game. Croatian football, a story of passion, resilience, and undying love for the beautiful game.